Let's be honest, XRP is a market mover. It's something that absolutely skyrockets and has the ability to reach ridiculous highs that some people just can't believe it can get to. And why is that? Because of many different factors, right? The fact that it's constantly involved in governmental conversations, the fact that it's constantly involved in banks and transactional and global currencies, cross border payments, and many other things. And with the fact that we've seen the major movement for XRP recently going from a level of 40 to 50 cents all the way up to $3.65, creating a new all time high by market cap, by the way, over $200 billion. And it's not going to stop there. We know that XRP is going to be worth a hell of a lot, and I can't wait to see that grow. But also, in connection to that, anything that's built on the XRPL is also, or utilizes the XRPL, is also going to be major market movers and be useful to everyone involved. And that's one of the positions that I'm talking about in this video, right? The video that I brought to you before, I talked about DXRP, which is a fantastic project that is the first DEX built for Ripple's XRPL. And it's been phenomenal so far with the gains that we have seen from the price that I bought at, as well as the different pre-sale prices that it's been at, and the launch price is going to be massive as well. But not only by the price, but also by what it does and what it stands for, means that you can see so much more success moving forward. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I will provide all of the links for DXRP down below. That will be in the description at the top of the description, or you guys can check it out for yourself. You can join the pre-sale. You can utilize my referral link in order to do so, which does help out the channel and honestly is a great play. I think it's a fantastic play. I can't wait to see what it actually does when you see go live and you see the months and years go on and how far this goes. So feel free to check out the link down below for DXRP and hopefully you enjoy it. But if you want to listen for what this is all about, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, feel free to check those out. But I will go through that briefly in this video, as well as going over the price potential and the gains that we've seen so far. So, DXRP, the first DEX built for Ripple's XRP Ledger. Currently, there are 10,000 investors, which have raised about $7 million, and you're looking at 17 cents of the current price. If you have seen my other videos, you know that previous videos, it was at a lower price from where you can buy at these pre-sale levels, right? It was at a 9 cent price, well, a 10 cent price, a 9 cent price, an 8 cent price, and all the way back to where I bought it, which is 80% of a penny, meaning that you have a lot of growth from where that was to where it is today. And every time you see something like that, the first thing that you always say is, I should have bought more. And honestly, that's what I've been hearing from some people. It's like, I should have bought more. Look where it is right now. Look how much it's worth right now. It's fantastic. So, anyways, DXRP is a next generation decentralized exchange powered by the open source XRP Ledger. We combine blazing fast transactions, ultra low fees, and deep liquidity to deliver an institutional grade trading experience for everyone, from crypto newcomers to pro traders. This is what Forbes wrote an article about new DEX model, DXRP, DeFi performance gap, what's holding DEXs back, and who are solving it. Decentralized exchanges were meant to embody the promise of DeFi, open, borderless, peer-to-peer markets that couldn't be shut down. They account for 7.6% of the total global crypto trading volume, up from just 3%. So you guys can read that article if you wanted to go into it. No noise, just execution. DXRP strips away the clutter, leaving only pure performance. Again, instant settlements, low fees, dual trading modes, smart liquidity routing, and advanced order types. Let's scroll down here and just go through kind of the calculate of profit. If you wanted to calculate that profit, where we stand right now, again, is 17 cents. The listing price is going to be 35 cents. So you're going to see some major movement, right? How much you want to invest. Let's say you wanted to invest $1,000, right? As it gets to that listing price, you're basically looking at doubling your money at that point. And as we see it grow to higher and higher levels, you have much more profit. But again, for an investor, it's not really about that profit side of it, not all of it, but it's about what it can be and what it can grow to be for the long term. Tokenomics, 25% public sale. You have liquidity provisions at 15%, staking rewards at 10%, ecosystem partnerships at 10%, team advisories 10%, a total of 2 billion coins that are out there, meaning that you only need to get to a $2 billion dollar market cap in order to get to those levels as you see all of the supply out there. However, all of the supply is not. You have airdrops and bounty programs, 3%, R&D, innovation fund, 6%, 9% for reserve and treasury, and 12% for marketing there. So you can explore a little bit more into what they're going to do and when they're going to launch. You should be seeing a public launch and growth in Q4 of 2025, which is coming up very, very soon, coming up with October, that we all know is going to happen. You can check out their Twitter account if you want to, their X account, which is 16.3 K followers, 1,000 followers. You guys can, ask questions, see what they're up to, see what they're doing, see what type of promotions they have or anything that's going on. But let's calculate mine, right? I have a purchase history where I purchased my DXRP at a level of 84% of a penny. At that level, I spent $200. And let's go ahead and calculate this really, really quickly. And we're going to see that 23,825 multiplied by the current price of 17 cents, that gives me $4,050 and what I was able to gain from the beginning point to where we are here today. And to that listing price, as we clear that out and we look at 23,825 multiplied by the listing price of 35 cents, we're looking at $8,338, and that is on a $200 investment. That is absolutely fantastic. I want to see this thing through, and I want to see it grow to a level of $1. Obviously, it gets to a level of $1. It's $23,000, almost $24,000 that I would be able to gain from a $200 investment. But we will be able to see as we move forward when it comes to exit plans, what you leave in there, what you see go through, what new they're going to have available, the staking that you can get with it, that you can have with that. So estimated APR is 14.5% as you move forward and how much you want to stake. So this is very, very interesting in what you can gain, what you can establish, and how far this can grow. So if you guys are interested in DXRP, I will provide all of the links down below for this position. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys, do your own research. I would imagine that, as people that have been investing into crypto for a while, you would do your own research into it, see what it's all about, see where things stand, because obviously you're not investing as low as where we all started, right? Where most of the people that saw my first video or my second video or third video about this have started, but you still have a chance to be a part of something that could be massive that's a part of the XRP Ledger. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this. Have you had your eyes on this? Have anybody, brought this to your attention, maybe besides me? And let me know in the comment section below. But if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, again, the link will be at the top of the description for DXRP. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.